Shalom and welcome to Students of Torah. This year's Daf Yomi, Sanhedrin Samech Vav. We're continuing the series that we started on Samech Bet when the Gemara introduced the concept of Melacha on Shabbat, someone who b'shogeg, unintentionally or intentionally does Melacha on Shabbat. What's the halacha in such a case? So we're continuing with the various halachot from the concept of practical halacha. And here's a fascinating question. A person lives in a building. Maybe Baruch Hashem, I'm not Beit Shemesh, where I live. It's not a common case, but a person lives in other neighborhoods where there's a mixture of people living in the buildings, from people, not from people, and it's Shabbat. Listen to this case. A person walks up, in a 10-story building, there's a few people not religious living in the building. You walk in, and the light's on, in by the stairwell. Why is it on? Because a neighbor who's not religious put on the stair lights. Now wait a second, I'm going to walk up now. And I'm benefiting from the light that a Jew put on Shabbat. Not a far-fetched case at all. The person living in a mixed neighborhood. What do we say? So applying the rules. You cannot benefit on Shabbat from a Melacha that another Jew has done. Whether it's Shogeg, whether it's Mezid. If it's a Drabanan, rabbinic, and it's Shogeg, the Mishmur is lenient. If it's Doraita and it's Shogeg, only in the present situation one could be lenient. And if it's Doraita and Mezid, then for sure there's not a room to be lenient. So must the person wait 3 minutes till the light goes off? Now what if it's a light that doesn't go off? It's a switch. It's not one that goes off and on. It's a switch. You put the lights on now. So, applying our rules of Hana from Rosh Hashanah Zaman Orba. Hana means to do something which I couldn't do before. Now, wait a second. What happened before the Jew lit the light? How would have I gone up the stairs? There's a little bit of light that comes from the hallway that lights up the stairs, which allows me to get up. I have to hold on to the bar and go slowly. And that's how I get up and down throughout Shabbat. And we don't leave the lights on in the hallway the whole Shabbat in the building. So Rosh Hashanah says, I normally would hold the bar and walk up slowly. And it would take 10 minutes to walk up. Now with the light on, I can run up in 2 minutes. He says, that I cannot do. Because that's defined as benefiting from the Melacha that another Jew has done. That's Rosh Hashanah's psak, and that's a natural application from all these shirim that we've given, the 4 shirim that we've given till now. This is a natural ramification, an application of the halacha. Chacham Abba Shaul in Otzion says that 2 things, a leniency and a stringency. He says, 1, a stringency that it would be best if I could wait till after it goes out. I should not benefit from a Jew in any way show, oh great, he put the light on and I'll get a hitch. And I have an easy way to walk up the stairs in the lit stairwell. The Jew shouldn't benefit and shouldn't be sameach and show any simchas. Even if it's mutter, best to wait if one can. Technically, if you can't wait, it's very hard and inconvenient. He says, well, you have the general halachas and applications that we've said, but he did say something else, another idea. He says that this Jew cannot aser my property. This is my property. So therefore, he can make an Isra on my property and say now the whole stairwell is going to be us because he put a light on. So it's an interesting concept from Chacham Abba Shaul. But besides that, we have Shlomo said there that however you were going to get up the stairwell till now without him putting the light on, you're going to walk up very slowly and hold your hand. So that's how you get up now. And you walk up at that slow pace, holding the rail, without going quickly, then halachically not defined as benefiting. So we see from the many series of 5 shirim here that this halacha brought in the Gemara and Sanhedrin about benefiting from halacha that was done by a Jew on Shabbat, the ramifications are very, very far-reaching. It's Hashem, we should have the understanding of this case. Halavai, it's not l'maisa that Jews don't do melacha on Shabbat, but it's important to understand this again. Shalom.